Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to read a book called Harry's Hiccups. Harry tries and tries to get rid of his hiccups, but it's hopeless. He tries the tricks that his mom suggests, that his sister offers, that his gran advises, but nothing works. Hiccup, hiccup. Only when he has a surprise encounter with a different sort of neighbor does it seem Harry might finally get some relief. Let's discover together what exactly happened. Harry Chung and his friend Mark were playing a game when Harry got the hiccups. "Drink some water," Dad said. "Drink 9 swallows in a row without breathing," Mark said. Harry tried. He made it to 9 and then gasped for air. "Hiccup, hiccup." "You have to drink it upside down," Harry's big sister Eve said. Harry stood on his head and tried to drink upside down. Water flooded the kitchen floor. "Not like that," Eve yelled. Harry's mother sighed and fetched the mop. "Hiccup, hiccup." "Watch me," Eve said. "This works like magic." Harry and Mark watched Eve lean over and drink from the far side of the glass. It looked easy. Harry tried it. He choked. He spluttered. Water went up his nose. "Hiccup, hiccup." "You've got the hopeless hiccups," Eve said, patting him on the back. "I'm sorry, but there is no known cure." "A spoonful of sugar has worked for me," Harry's mother said. Harry got the biggest spoon in the drawer. He heaped it high with sugar. "Harry Chung, not that much!" But Harry had already gulped down the whole spoonful. He licked his lips and smiled. "Hiccup, hiccup." Harry's father was watching the baseball game. "Go ask Mrs. Logan what to do. She loves giving people advice," he said. Harry and Mark went to the apartment next door and knocked. When Mrs. Logan opened the door, her twin boys ran out and took off down the hallway. "Catch them!" she cried. Mark and Harry found the twins waiting for the elevator. "Want a piggyback ride?"